Hey everybody, AmpRepairGuy.com, 203-892-4119. We have another Ameritron Al-80b here. Phone's going off like crazy in the background. So, needs a tube, has an old brown base, 3500Z from, I always get it backwards. I don't know if it's 2010 or 2008, 08, 10. So either 2008 or 2010. So it has the metal oxide varistors. I'll remove those. Does not have the gas discharge tubes. I'll add those. The SO239s have like no grip. No grip. Just slipping it out. Nothing. So it'll get new ones from Max Gain Systems. It'll get a brand new Penta tube, which is paid for by the customer and drop shipped to him. Gets a slightly better price than what's listed on the Penta site. I make nothing from a tube sale. Just pass it on to the customer. It's wired for 220, has the proper fuse sizes in it. I mean size, proper fuses, so both 10 amp. Has newer electrolytics, has the newer, better equalization / bleeder resistors. I'll clean the band switch and input rotor switch with deoxide gold, the TR / bias relay with deoxide gold, soft start relay with deoxide gold, and I'll go through the rest of it. For poor solder joints, loose hardware, I'll also ground the grids right to the metal, and it goes through the standoffs, but going right to the metal doesn't take long, and it's a better connection. So I checked the air variable on the plate side, looks okay. And that's it. I'll touch on everything when it's all done. So stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe. I have a 3001 here also. It's almost Christmas, so I've been doing a lot of other stuff. But keep them coming. See you in a bit. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back with the completed Ameritron Al-80b. I'll go over everything I did real quick. Clean the rotary switches with deoxide gold, clean the relays with deoxide gold, brand new Penta tube, grounded the grids right to the metal, the nuts were actually loose below the socket. Added the gas discharge tubes, one per side of the filament underneath the socket. Got rid of the metal oxide varistors. I'll grab a pointer. One series glitch resistor was fine. The other one was had like arc damage. It must have been damaged at some point and it started to arc. I heard an arc when I went to test it here and there. So I replaced that. Brand new SO239 connectors from Max Gain Systems. Awesome company. Penta Labs, great company. Just awesome customer service. So what else did I do? Tightened up on hardware. Tighten also the nuts that secure the air variable capacitors, touched up on solder joints, replaced the missing internal tooth crush washer. I didn't have any more split washers, so we're fine. For the number 4 screw, for the strap connection to the dissipating cap, the anode dissipating cap. So I believe that's about it. So if you need an amplifier repaired, feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 203-892-4119. My other site is hardbachelectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. And remember, Hardbach stuff I get out usually within one business day. One business day. So if you order it before 8 a.m. the following day, like so on a Tuesday, you order it before 8 a.m. on Wednesday, I get it out the same, that day, the Wednesday. So very quick with shipping, very quick with fixing amplifiers, so keep them coming. Thanks for watching, and again, please like, share, and subscribe. 73.